Ke BJP Meghalaya kelak penpau ke jingiro ya ke sarkar pedeng bat kaptam ya menteri rang badu keri India Narendra Modi bat ya Amit Shah menteri ke sarkar pedeng bakila burom ya ke jingsngeu jong ki pai riulom dak ba pelai ya ki thai nejla ki bahap hapok ke kernet ke bahan riu ke renti sensyar keri na ke jing penteri kam ya ke Citizenship Amendment Act jong usnem aja khat kendai katkum ke ain ke basisha ne original act jong usnem khat kendai san pusan kamsim ladon ke jing pelai ya ki jaka nejla ke bahap hapok ke kernet ke benriu ya ke nelawan ra house nem aja khat kendai ya ke ain de ke sarkar BJP Habai akan bat kelat petai kubor State President ke BJP Urikman Momin Lynnong ba ke BJP ka perkat na kebenta ka baha ke miet kirulom kumta kalawan ra ban pelai yakine gitain.
The BJP, the state BJP would like to express its gratitude to the government of India and special Prime Minister Modi ji and Sri Amit Shah ji, the Union Home Minister, for respecting the sentiments of the tribal people by exempting the 6 scheduled areas from the Citizen Amendment Act of 2019. In the original Act of 1955, 6 scheduled areas exemption was not there. This was introduced in 2019 Act by the BJP government. BJP cares about the well-being of the tribals and so introduced this exemption. The BJP government believes in taking everyone together, though the act was passed in 2019. The government deliberated 4 years before notifying rules. Such steps taken by the centre reassure the commitment of the Modi-led government to uplift the lives of the tribal community through various governmental schemes. Now that Meghalaya stands exempted from CA, it is pointless for those opposing to beat around the bush, but as citizens of this great nation, we shall all work towards its progress and prosperity.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.